Okay, right. Tani, I pin some with the video on, okay? Now, they will ask you question, okay? This type of question, whenever they ask you, na, the due date is very, very important. So, first of all, make sure, okay, whenever they are asking, na, this type of questions, so you always tell about your CA firm that I used to work in my CA firm, and in my CA firm, there were 10 articles, 4 CAs, and 2 principals, and the principal's son was also a CA. So it was a very, it's a CA firm where there was a lot of work used to come from everywhere, which is tax audit, income tax, ROC compliance, this. So because of this, so much of pressure was there. There was always a challenge, one after another, to complete one work after another. And because less articles were there and more work to be completed within the deadline, we used to be constant under pressure. And like this, you have to then start with a story. Then start with the story situation based. म्यूट में रहिएगा तो हम जो बोल रहे हैं उसको ध्यान दीजिएगा मे बी डन 1.5 years in a CA firm or a big four, okay, wherever it is, okay, you have to typically show that in you have worked in Grant Thornton, so there is always a pressure, okay, your industrial training, so you have to show that you are working in a mid-size CA firm with a good amount of articles, good CAs. And apart from CAs, there are principals. Principal sons are also CA. Wife is a company secretary. There's a good composition of people out there. So much of work is there. So you're always under the pressure. So once the pressure is there, the due date pressure will be there. The challenges will be there automatically. Then they will say, what are the challenges in your work? The challenges was that there was one after another, due dates were there. So much work was there. First of all, highlight the CA firm. जानबूझकर हाईलाइट करना है आपको सीए फर्म को, जिससे उनको लगे कि आपने एक अच्छा सीए फर्म में काम किया है, तभी जाके 15-16 लाख रुपए मिलेगा। प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस, clear about it, na? So whenever they ask you the challenges, success story, whenever they ask you challenges, success story, write in the group this thing. Whenever they are asking you challenges, success story, failure story, whatever, you try to highlight your CA firm. You try to highlight your CA firm. Your principal was 60, 70 years of age. He has a great experience he had. I was very fortunate to work under his experience. He was quite strict. This is the storytelling. His son was also CA. So I worked under him also. He was also quite knowledgeable. He had knowledge of income tax. The principal had overall good knowledge. The wife was a company secretary. She had knowledge of company ROC compliance work. So I was very fortunate to learn under the cap of different people and learn different things. So every day there was a challenge and expectation on me. The principal used to catch me for income tax. The principal son used to catch me for this work. The principal wife used to come, we used to call them Bhabi. So she used to call me, they used to constantly catch me for the ROC compliance related work. So there was a constant pressure on me on challenges I had to face on a regular basis. तो challenges आपको समझ में आ गया? Success भी यही है. Success is to meet up those challenges and meeting. One of the situations where I faced, okay, there was a client, okay, after 31st March, after the 31st March was over, I used to get the opportunity before the 31st March. Generally, every particle used to see it late at night, 3 p.m. But I used to leave early. I was given an opportunity to leave early at 5 p.m. only because I have to go for internal audit the next day. This type of stories you need to prepare. Internal audit, we have to start on the first quarterly basis. And the client was a type Vodafone or a Airtel type of client was there. We used to check the TV, refrigerators, and the stock audits were done. Okay, these things are done. And apna bhi kuch dal dena. If you have done something, so that also you can do. So we used to do the audit of the nearby branches. The retail outlets were there, and these retail outlets used to sell. So in quarterly basis, I had to do the internal audit. Internal audit bolna acha rahega. Stock audit, internal audit I used to do. So there you should check everything, how this is done, or what amount of quantity is there. You should check the codes also, whether codes were there or not. This is what you have to say there. The question come na, how you to handle this graphite. So you have to use the key. You did the tax audit, and after tax audit or income tax pressure, 31st March, what is there? 31st March, what is there? What is there in the 31st March? Do you know what is there in the
TDS
31st March?
due date.
31st March, what
TDS
is there?
payment due date.
TDS, income tax, or
Advance tax.
advance tax
Advance
payment.
tax.
There are much more pressure.
Yes.
Income tax also is done in 31st March. GST pressure was there. So after the 31st March, I used to do a lot of things, and that's why you have to be an all-rounder. Little bit knowledge of everything you should have. Yeah, I used to do this, and this, and then on 1st April, I had to go for a internal audit, for a stock audit on a quarterly basis for this client. So this was always a big challenge for me as well as an achievement because I used to do it very well. And also there was one more challenge, sir. You say this, that if we do anything wrong in our form, okay, if we do anything wrong in our form, then we have to go next time with our own pocket expenses, out of pocket expenses. And we used to not get the out of pocket expenses before. First, we have to incur from our pocket and then do the reimbursement. So, as an article, there were some capital issues also, working capital issues also we had to face. Petty cash. So, because we have to pay from our pocket first, and then we have to get the reimbursement charges from the principal. That reimbursement charges also we used to get quite late. Around it should take 90 days to get the reimbursement after the audit is completed. So this is also challenges which I face. We have to pay from pocket the challenges from the pocket for the outstation audit or anything, and then reimbursement will be given only after the successful completion of the audit or the stock audit or anything. And if any mistakes were there, then they used to deduct the thing from the stipend. Extra money from the stipend, and for pocket we are anyways we are paying. So that is also the thing. They used to not pay from the pocket. So that was also a challenge for me. So these points please write in the group which I told just now. Akshita, Garvit Gera, Mohammad Husani, Priya Jain, Kiran Mishra, video on and write these points. We just told na just now. Nikhil Niranjan. Quickly, Sanjana, group में लिख दो. Just quickly, yeah. Sahil
Yes,
Dinkar.
sir. Yes.
Nobody will give you challenges, success story. I am giving you everything. Your also will have something. This also will be there. You will be able to make now. Garvit, you can also say that in the current autumn, I did stat and internal audit both. There was stat audit, but I also did some internal audit as well. There were some clients we used to get opportunity there also. A little bit I did. So yes, challenges were there. Always so challenges that I have to go late night in outstation and reach there in morning before the audit starts. And if we are late in the audit, then the client used to complain our name. If we did any mistake, then also client used to complain. So that was quite a challenge to stay up to the expectation of everybody. And there was always the risk that my out-of-pocket expenses will be reimbursed. The motivation was that only. The motivation was that I get the out-of-pocket expenses reimbursed, and that's how the perfection in the work came. But don't say that I used to book extra only beforehand, because this was happening so much now that hotel charge was 4,000. I used to take 8,000 reimbursement. Initially setting the because a lot of losses were happening now. So initially we did the setting also with the hotel. This much we know, this much bad debt so will going to happen. We understood this much bad debt will be going to happen. Why? So we had the prayer and planning was done. Don't make this story to them. Okay. Expenses incurred during the was paid out of pocket, and then I had to reimburse them after completion, which takes a line of time 90 days. 90 days only dependent on the Kirtana, right? That's only dependent on the successful completion of the work. If there is any mistake in the work, then they used to deduct that. And apart from that, they used to deduct from the stipend as well. And if there is a big mistake, then they will make you work after the CA exam also. After the CA exam also, they will make you work as a qualified. You join us only. No worries. We'll take you. Okay. So there was always a pressure that our CA firm believes in what perfection. There should be no mistake whatsoever, lesser mistakes. So we used to advocate that. So we used to cut from our pay out of, and many CA firm do it. I'm telling you, करता ही है भाई. CA firms do this. Okay, they don't reimburse on time. Okay, right that Kirtana, that point now which I just told. In case there is any mistake, they used to cut. So there was always a constant pressure to do it perfectly. Mistakes cannot happen at such a level. साहिल दिनकर, हरि गोविंद, वीडियो ऑन कर लो. सविता शर्मा, ठीक है. निखिल निरंजन, ठीक है. किरण मिश्रा, एवरीबडी वीडियो ऑन. हाँ, एवरीबडी. ऑटो रिमूवर इज ऑन. सर पॉकेट शुड बी रिमेंबर्ड. सविता शर्मा, आपका हमको पॉइंट्स नहीं दिख रहा है. आप भी ग्रुप में लिखिए पॉइंट्स को. पॉइंट को ग्रुप में लिखिए जो भी आई जस्ट टोल्ड ना नाउ कि दे हैव टू कंसीडर डाउन टाइम. देन आई हैड द टैक्स ऑडिट प्रेशर. शेफाली ग्रुप में लिखो. आपका कभी भी मेरे को नहीं दिखता है ग्रुप में. राइट इन द ग्रुप, नॉट इन द कॉपी. नोबडी इन द कॉपी. तो I had to work in 31st March late night, covering TDS return, GST work was also there, na? GST audit, then advanced tax. Then at the late night, I was given this, I have to leave early, 5 p.m. Details. That is the tool, na? Amazon looking for details. Your story should have detail. So I have to leave the office at 5 p.m. At 5 p.m. I have to leave office, and then 5 hours I used to take rest. At the 10 o'clock at the night, I used to book the bus, which luckily the principal used to tell us which bus to go. That was not a problem. But 10:30 we used to wait, and then in the bus only we used to sleep also. बस का ऊपर वाला दे देता था प्रिंसिपल कि आराम से आप सो सको. सोने का अरेंजमेंट करके रखा था. तो दैट इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. उसमें थोड़ा सा आप जब, और आपको अलार्म लगाने का दरकार नहीं पड़ता था. यू डोंट हैव टू पुट द अलार्म बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर गोइंग, बस होता है ना थोड़ा सा बीच बीच में. साहिल क्या बोलते हैं उसको, व्हाट इज धक्का मारता है ना तुझे बस. यस. हाँ, जो वो होता था तो नींद अपने आप ही जग जाता था. तो द स्लीप यूज टू come, and then 4 p.m. the bus used to be there, and I had to wake up, then leave, then hotel भी कोई एकदम बढ़िया नहीं था कि आपको बहुत डोसा इडली सांभर वड़ा they used to give you. Used to get बस रोटी and तड़का. ठीक है. And this is what, okay, and there were a lot of mosquitoes in the hotel also, so that also you have to bear. ये ज्यादा चैलेंज हो गया. This is going to too deep detail. Hotel, and then I have to go to the next day to do the audit. At the time 10 a.m. I cannot be late there. The problem was there was a cash verification. Cash verification timely basis में होना पड़ता है. If I be late, okay, 10 minutes also, then they used to complain to the principal. Because this also we have to keep in mind that we cannot be late there. स्टोरी में डिटेल्स होगा ना तभी वो लेगा. स्टोरी में डिटेल्स इज नीडेड. प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट यू हैव डिटेल्स इन योर स्टोरी. इफ यू डोंट हैव डिटेल्स इन योर स्टोरी तो स्टोरी नहीं है. वो क्या हो गया फिर, वो DDLG हो गया. वो वाला काम नहीं होने वाला है. स्टोरी में आपका डिटेल्स ये, दे नीड फैक्ट्स कि ये टाइम में आपने ऑडिट किया, ये है, तब बोले हाँ भाई संजना ने किया है. संजना ने काम किया है पूरा, कि पूरे टाइम बता दी भाई करके 10 बजे जाया, 10 बजे जाके ये किया. देन आई हैव टू टेक, देन 2 PM. स्टोरी में डिटेल चाहिए. यू नीड टू हैव दैट. एकदम स्टोरी में फैक्ट्स चाहिए. वो बिग फोर वाला आराम से आपको लेगा. आपका स्टोरी में अगर फैक्ट्स होगा ना कि 10 बजे मैं ऑडिट की, मैं पहुंचती थी 6 बजे घर में, देन इन दिस टाइम वी रीड दिस, थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, पूरा याद आने लग जाएगा. अब आपको खुद का भी स्टोरी याद आने लग गया होगा. अब स्टोरी खुद का भी याद आने लग गया होगा कि आई एम गोइंग टू डिटेल्स. दैट्स व्हाई दे गो फॉर डिटेल्स. कॉर्पोरेट में ना
हाँ सर.
याद आएगा तो वही तो ऐसे करके याद करना है. एक्सपेंस ऑडिट बट पेड आउट ऑफ पॉकेट एंड रिम्बर्स एंड दिस इज जस्ट एवरी सीए फर्म स्टोरी. भाई कोई भी सीए फर्म अगर आप गलती करके आओगे ना, don't expect them to reimburse from your pocket. They will take from your pocket money. Okay. If any mistake, it reduced your stipend. Such a practice was very hard initially, but it made me perfect in my work. It helped me tune into perfection in my work. Perfection tha in my work. And then hilly stations audit and cold places. Please remember, cold places audit, stock audit, This is a very important point. School places, early morning. One challenge, okay. This is another big challenge, okay. I'll tell you a very good challenge, okay. I was never a early morning riser. I was never a early morning riser. I used to always wake up before articleship at 10 p.m., 11 p.m., 12 p.m. afternoon. Because of the articleship I did, okay, this habit also improved because every time I have to leave early only. I have to leave early only. At late night only, I have to leave for stock audit or internal audit, maybe some tax audit of another client. There was some, and I something I felt that I was not that much keen in traveling earlier before the articleship period. After that, in 365 days, 200 days, I was always in the video on रखिएगा सब जन ठीक है. Out of 365 days, used to continuously do the traveling work for 200 days. So this was also quite a challenging activity. So first of all, late night you have to go out, okay? Reach out in the morning. Sometimes morning also you have to leave. Sometimes the situation was that you have to leave it morning. Maybe some audit will be at 10 p.m. near to your location only. Near to your location also tax audit. It's not that near. It is around 20 kilometers from your home. So you have to leave at 6 p.m. in the morning. That was also a challenge for me because at 6 p.m. to book a cab in the chill winter, it was always a challenge for me. ये एक और पॉइंट आप लिख सकते हैं. And then there was a in our firm there was a continuous traveling. Our 365 days you will not see your family for more than 50 days. You will not be in their home only most of the times. There's always a challenge that I have to be 200 to 50 days. You will be out of station only most of the times. To stay away from family, stay away was always a something new for me. I was never used to being outside my family before that. So this is also you will write this point traveling in the group. Okay, शेफाली ग्रुप में लिखिए आप सब कुछ पॉइंट्स को ग्रुप में लिख दीजिएगा व्हाट्सएप में. हाँ, राइट इन द प्रिया जैन ग्रुप में. हाँ, जब बोला ना आउट ऑफ दैट 365 days 200 days were always on outstation audits only. So it's a very few time. There was a very small proportion of time I used to spend with my family. So earlier I was a person who used to stay with my family, and family also used to be enjoy my companionship. After a point of time, the situation arise that even the family don't like me. They want me to be outside only. तो बाहर ही ठीक थी. घर आने का तंग करने लग जाती है. ऐसा होता है ना. Got my point, ना? So it was such that I was always outside the place only, and I enjoyed that. Don't say that I did not like it. शाहरुख खान बोलता है ना कि बोलता है ना कि क्या बोलता है, अभी कभी नए-नए यूट्यूब में शॉर्ट्स आ रहा है. क्या बोलता है उसमें? कुछ बोलता है ना? क्या बोलता है? पाव भाजी खाने का मेरे को कोई शौक नहीं है. क्या बोलता है ना? क्या व्हाट ही सेज? ओके? मेरे को छोटे-छोटे जगह जाने का कोई शौक नहीं है. मैंने मेहनत किया, इसलिए मेरे को बहुत एन्जॉय करता हूँ इन सब चीज़ों को. आई एन्जॉय दिस प्रोसेस नाउ. ये वाला चीज़ आपको ही बोलना है कि आई वाज़ ऑलवेज़ आउटसाइड माय हाउस फॉर आउट सेशन. जैसे आप ये बोलोगे, स्पेशली अगर बिग 4 का इंटरव्यू दे रहे हो और ये अमेज़न का दे रहे हो, दे विल लव इट. क्योंकि जिसको भी जॉब करना है, whoever wants to do job, they have to forget everything most of the times. Family, work-life balance, they have to be okay with everything. Late night working, every time you can get out, go out, perfection in work. Okay, work comes first, health comes later. These are the practices everybody follows. So ये सब आपको पॉइंट एक बार ये पॉइंट को लिख दीजिए ना, तो इससे गड़बड़ नहीं हो. ये पॉइंट को एक बार लिख दीजिए. किरण मिश्रा ग्रुप में लिख, शेफाली ग्रुप में लिखिए पॉइंट्स को. कीर्तना, course we got a point where 80 work the due date pressure. One more challenge is we don't mistake, we don't get expenses reimbursed. But this challenge, ये जो अभी बोला ना मैंने, फटाफट लिखिए इसको. डोना आपका एक भी नहीं है. डोना ग्रुप में लिखिए. वीडियो ऑन. संजना जैन, आपका भी मेरे को नहीं दिखा था पॉइंट्स. ये भी पॉइंट लिखेंगे
हाँ,
कि
मैं लिख रही
360.
हूँ, मैं लिख रही हूँ.
हाँ, फटाफट.
अर्ली
निखिल
राइजर
निरंजन.
वाला और ट्रैवलिंग वाला दोनों लिख
हाँ,
देती हूँ.
निखिल निरंजन. When I gave very easy example to remember, I gave you so easy example to remember. और स्टोरी सुन के उसको ही रोना आ जाएगा, भाई बहुत तुमने स्ट्रगल की है. इट्स नॉट लाइक अनन्या पांडे स्ट्रगल है. स्ट्रगल रियल है ना. क्या गर्वित गिरा भाई, स्ट्रगल इज रियल. लेट नाइट वर्किंग दिस एंड दैट. ओके, नो टाइम टू डू ट्यूशन हैज टू हैपन इन वेरी डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन. This 365 days, 200 days, you are outside. The question will be there 365 days, 200 days of outstation audit. Remember this, huh? Outstation, out of station audit. Audit, tax, returns, filings, whatever, finance works. So that was the thing. We used to have a good family time before Article C, but after Article C, out of 360, 200 days of training, barely spending time with family, and they were not understanding. And so I tried to balance the time between the family work and this, make my family understand. Okay. Later on, the family also understood this. The family also understood this. Next, which are the places you traveled? This is a very important. Which are the places? Now, this question is a very important question. Which are the places you did audit? They check dummy articles from this, or your story is fake or not. So you have to know which are the places you did audit or tax work or any work. Write your own places, not Jammu Kashmir and all. Everybody will write your own places. Outside where you went, near to your location. If you're from Hyderabad, so near radius में कौन सा places were there. You can go out, but ज्यादा दूर नहीं. जम्मू कश्मीर में नहीं. जम्मू कश्मीर में कौन सा मिलेगा आपको, है ना? तो इट विल बी ठीक है. एक बार के लिए हाँ. तो विच आर द प्लेसेस यू डिड ऑडिट टैक्स, एक बार इसका लिखिएगा. प्लेसेस का नाम लिख दीजिए ग्रुप में फटाफट, क्विकली. आपने किया है शिमला का, शेफाली? हैव यू डन इन शिमला? तब ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
शिम-
IFC audit.
हाँ, तो क्लाइंट का नाम भी लिख दीजिएगा. शिमला, कसौली, मोहन, गराम. राइट द प्लेस क्लाइंट नेम ऑल्सो वंस. कौन सा ऑडिट किया वो लिखिए. एवरीबडी. प्रिया जैन, गर्वित गेरा. आउट स्टेशन कहाँ पर गए थे? संजना जैन. कोई गया ही नहीं आउट स्टेशन. ठीक है. ओनली इन टिपिकल आउट स्टेशन जो गया है ना, सब दिन अपना आउट स्टेशन ऑडिट लिख दीजिए. ओके, आपने बहुत जगह किया है. वेरी गुड. क्या क्या क्लाइंट किया, क्या क्या राइट द क्लाइंट नेम ऑल्सो, प्लेसेस ऑफ ऑडिट एंड क्लाइंट नेम एंड द टाइप ऑफ वर्क डन, वो भी लिख दीजिए. टाइप ऑफ वर्क डन एंड ड्यूरेशन वेर यू स्टेड. ड्यूरेशन भी पूछ लेते हैं लोग. ड्यूरेशन ऑफ स्टेइंग देयर. ड्यूरेशन भी लिखिए. दे गो इनटू डिटेल्स to check whether you have done dummy or you have really done the work or not. कि कितना देर, अगर मान के लिए शिमला गया तो कितना दिन के लिए शिमला के लिए गया था, क्योंकि जो आदमी किया वही बता पाएगा, नहीं तो ऑफर में आप सोचने लग जाएगा. गॉट माय पॉइंट ना? दे गो इनटू डिटेल्स. आई एम डूइंग सो मच इन डिटेल ना, नोबडी विल डू. द career guidance, audit is good, tax is good, this is good, everything is good until you get the offer letter. It does not really help you to get career guidance. ठीक है. Okay, Malda you have went, Umar near Asansol, client name this. Okay, what is the duration you stayed there? Duration they ask. Okay, so Malda you stayed there for 10 days. Working hours this much, 10 hours of working schedule. So they ask the duration also. कि what was the duration you stayed in this place? Duration दूसरा जन भी कॉपी कर लेगा. Duration, write the duration also in the group. Duration, write the duration also. Duration of the duration, how many days you stayed, for the how many days you stayed, and the nature of work you did. I'm telling you, this type of questions can be asked from a Big Four partner to check whether you are done audit or not. So you're just giving a story which is fake. Okay. Any person who has done it, he will be able to explain the duration. Who has not done it, he will not be able to say the duration. Okay, they know this. Okay. Garvit Giran, normal client, this is 4 days stock audit, Redico Ketan, 2 days stock audit, good. More. Dona, Akshata, right? Akshata, शेफाली, संजना जैन, निखिल लिखो. इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग में कुछ किया? फर्स्ट सीए फ्रॉम 1.5 years you stayed ना. Duration 7 days. Okay, 7 days a week. Okay, you did. Client was this only. Okay, IFC audit you did. Very good. Any other place, Shefali, apart from this, which you went outside?
No, sir. No, sir.
You have to make it, because you are saying that 200 days you are outside. Out of 365 days,
7 days.
you are most 200 days you are outside out of 365 days. You have to make sure that You have to have more places.
How 200 days, sir?
Out of 365 days, 200 days you are outside only for this
So I
or the
have to
other purpose.
make.
You have to make up
Acha,
stories.
acha. Fake
Yes.
story.
150 to 200 days you're outside only for this or the other purpose. Swanpata, which places are this? Client name, duration. That's what I'm saying, ना? See, those who are going outside, वो काम का आदमी होता है, लोगों को पता है. जो ज्यादा ट्रैवलिंग करता है ना, और जो एनी टाइम आउटसाइड ही रहता है, कभी ये ऑडिट, कभी वो, कहीं इधर, कभी उधर, उधर उधर जाते रहता है, तो देयर लॉट ऑफ काम का आदमी होता है वो. And sometimes I'm telling you one thing, okay? Maybe you are from Noida, you stay there, okay? But the client work is such that ना कि आपको क्लाइंट का प्लेस के नियर में ही घर लेना पड़ेगा. You cannot go to the home even if it is in the same radius. It happens, okay? I did audit of Vishal Megamart. Megamart na Megamart. Megamart is there. Megamart. Then there is another like this Mart are there na. For example, this cloth store is there. Cloth store. Big bazaar type. Okay. Wheels lifestyle. So stock audit used to happen there also. It used to happen at night. It used to happen at night only. So in the night you have to stay there only. So this also you can make. That I did the audit of a. तो यहाँ पर मैं काफी टाइम इन्वेस्ट हो गया, तो घर जाने का मौका ही नहीं मिलता था. यू शुड नॉट गो टू दी होम. आपका घर के बगल में देखना काफी सारा बिग बाजार्स होता है, शॉपिंग मॉल्स होता है. एंड बच्चों का जो होता है ना, बच्चों का जो बेचता है वो सामान को क्या बोलते हैं, वो सब मॉल भी होता है. बट दे से जो बच्चों का
First
आइटम
try.
बेचता है. हाँ, नाम क्या है लोग का?
First try. First try.
नाम बताओ, नाम इस ग्रुप में लिख दो. तो ऑल द मेगा मार्ट्स यू हैव डन ऑडिट. मेगा मार्ट आर देना, फूड मेगा मार्ट, दिस मेगा मार्ट, व्हील्स लाइफस्टाइल, क्लोथ स्टोर जहाँ पर मैं कपड़ा खरीदते हैं. अच्छा, जिसका टर्नओवर अच्छा है, जैसे एक वो है ना डीमार्ट इज देयर. तो आप बोलो ना डीमार्ट का ऑडिट किया. डीमार्ट का एक तो छोटा सा यूनिट था, उसका ऑडिट किया. डीमार्ट का बोलेगे तो सब हो जाएगा. डीमार्ट का तुमने किया है? मेरे को लगा था ईवाई ने किया है. इट्स नॉट हैपन लाइक दैट, ओके? ठीक है. जैसे होता ना, एक पिक्चर था उसमें बोला था, कौन सा था, आर्किटेक्ट वाला पिक्चर था ना, उसमें परेश रावल था, सुनील शेट्टी था और अक्षय कुमार था. तो ताज आर्किटेक्ट, ताजमहल आपने बनाया, मेरे को लगा शाहजहां ने बनाया. वो वाला सिचुएशन मत क्रिएट कर लीजिएगा, ठीक है? नहीं, शाहजहां ताजमहल के बगल में एक तो वो था ना, उसका मैंने आर्किटेक्चर किया. दैट इज हाउ यू हैव टू मेक अ स्टोरी हैव टू मेक दैट वे. यू डोंट से दैट हाँ मैंने बिग बाजार का ऑडिट किया है. बिग बाजार का छोटा छोटा आउटलेट्स होता है, उसका ऑडिट किया. एंड दैट ऑडिट हैज टू बी डन एट नाइट ओनली. व्हाई? बिकॉज दिन का टाइम में वो लोग अपना बिजनेस करेगा कि तुम्हारा ऑडिट का वो लोग टाइम फिक्स करेगा, राइट? तो एट नाइट ओनली दे यूज्ड टू डू द स्टॉक ऑडिट. तो जो भी आपका बच्चों का बहुत सारा होता है इस तरह का, नाम याद नहीं आ रहा मेरे को, तो बोलना ये भी एक चैलेंज था. फर्स्ट क्राई फॉर किड्स, ओके. फर्स्ट क्राई नाम है क्या? फर्स्ट क्राई, ओके. तो ये लिख लो, बिग बाजार का आउटलेट्स एंड बिग बाजार शॉपिंग मॉल्स. एंड और भी होता है ना, ड्रेसिंग रूम्स होता है, बच्चों का होता है. तो आई यूज्ड टू गेट दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू डू दी स्टॉक ऑडिट्स ऑफ दिस. This generally used to happen at night only, after 8 p.m. So we used to stay there only at night. They used to give us good fooding. Fooding was very nice, but we used to stay there only. So this was also a challenge. और इसमें लड़कियों को
So
भेजता था जब मैं. हम्म.
Zudio.
So even this is also you're outside the home only ना. So this you can make easily. आपके बगल में देखो कौन सा शोरूम है, आपको ध्यान दो शोरूम कौन सा है जो बड़ा नहीं है पर इसका ऑडिट हो सकता है, कराना चाहे तो. क्लियर अबाउट इट? तो स्टॉक ऑडिट हो गया. दे यूज्ड टू डू स्टॉक ऑडिट एट नाइट बिकॉज इन द मॉर्निंग दे हैव टू डू द बिजनेस. दे हैव टू डू देयर बिजनेस. तो इन द मॉर्निंग दे हैव टू डू बिजनेस. तो दिस पॉइंट लिख लो. काफी स्टोरीज बता दी ना. तो दिस वाज अगेन मेरा. तो मेरा ज्यादा करके टाइम इसमें निकल जाता था. करनाल का डीपीएस ऑडिट किया. प्रिया जैन लिख लिया आपने? प्रिया जैन पॉइंट्स, प्रिया जैन चल गई. ठीक है. अपना भी ऐसे करके कहानी बनाओ. रात का टाइम में ऑडिट होता था, तो एक तो आपको कहानी कितना कितना बना दिया. संजना, सज्जन, साहिल दिनकर, निखिल, हुसाना,
हाँ
किरण.
सर, हाँ
एक तो वीडियो ऑन रखो. एक तो नंबर 1 वीडियो ऑन
सर,
कर
बस 2
देना.
मिनट.
हाँ, एक तो रात का टाइम में आपने किया, इन द नाइट टाइम यू डिड द ऑडिट ऑफ एनी मेगा मार्ट्स, बिकॉज मेगा मार्ट्स का जनरली रात को ही ऑडिट होता है, पीपल डोंट नो। दिन को टाइम में तो लोग बिजनेस करेगा ना, कि आपका ऑडिटर को अटेंड करेगा, तो रात का टाइम में वो लोग ऑडिट काउंट होता है, स्टॉक काउंट होता है नाइट। तो दिस इज अ वेरी गुड पॉइंट दैट इफ एनीबडी कैन मेक। आपका घर के बगल में जस्ट सी की विच आर द मॉल्स, उसका ऑडिट आपने किया है, और बड़ा नहीं होना चाहिए बहुत ज्यादा, ठीक है। एक एजेंसी का मैंने ऑडिट किया थी, कि आपका बन के मैं आउटसाइड रहती थी। दूसरा, अपने रिचार्ज वाउचर्स का ऑडिट किया, मोबाइल, टीवी, डीवीडी प्लेयर, सोनी, सैमसंग का यूनिट्स होता है, पैनासोनिक, और देख लो अपने घर में कौन सा अप्लायंसेस है, ठीक है। सैमसंग, वन प्लस, वीवो, यू डिड द ऑडिट ऑफ दिस। छोटा छोटा दुकान होता है ना, दुकान भी तो होता है, दुकान होता है जब मोबाइल का वो बेचता है, तो जा जाके उसका ऑडिट सब लोग को मिलता था मौका करने को। एक आपने बोला मेगा मार्ट का ऑडिट होता था, तो मेगा मार्ट का ऑडिट होता था उधर ही होता था, उधर ही हम लोग को रहना पड़ता था। वी यूज्ड टू स्टे देयर ओनली एट नाइट, वी हैव टू स्टे देयर ओनली एट नाइट। देन आई टोल्ड यू यू हैव टू गो आउटसाइड आल्सो। आउटसाइड बैंक ऑडिट बता देना एक दो टू। बैंक ऑडिट का भी मैं बोल देता हूँ, बैंक ऑडिट बहुत जन नहीं किया होगा। बैंक ऑडिट, ग्रामीण बैंक्स का काफी ऑडिट्स होता है, ग्रामीण, ये सब जनरली है ना, किस तरीके का होता है, बैंक्स का नाम लिख देना आप लोग, राइट द ग्रामीण बैंक्स, उज्ज विकास बैंक, what type of banks are there, okay? Now these banks are generally in very backward areas, and generally CA firms get these contracts for doing these audits. So you said that you have done the Grameen Bank's bank audit, concurrent audit, okay? Grameen Bank concurrent audit. What type of Grameen Bank? Anybody can give example. I forgot. I did it. Are there? I did everything. So what are the Grameen banks which you can do audit? You went to the backward area in Hyderabad and this and that. In Bangalore, I did the audit. Right, all the Grameen banks, na Uj Vikas Bank. So this also I was to do it. Then if they go in deep detail of what he did in this, sir, not able to recall, sir. ठीक है, ज्यादा चला जाएगा तो वो स्टोरीज अभी से बना के रखेगा ना, 5-6 दिन 7 दिन, you make the stories, it becomes very easy for these interviews to crack. I'm telling you. I give you such a good वो ना, करूर वैसिया बैंक, एक ओरिएंटल कॉमर्स बैंक होता है, ओरिएंटल कॉमर्स बैंक, I don't know the name, Oriental Commerce Bank. Small banks you catch up. Grameen banks, Uj Vikas Bank, this bank, that bank, small banks. Okay, where people will be. हाँ, तो these banks you did audit. तो एक बैंक हो गया, एक मेगा मार्ट का ऑडिट हो गया, और एक हमने बोला था टीवी आई टोल्ड, टीवी, रिचार्ज वाउचर्स, मोबाइल, मोबाइल शोरूम, मोबाइल शोरूम का ऑडिट। So these are the points you can make easily. Suppose you're not getting any help from your seniors, then what will you do in that case? You will connect with the person who has done the audit in the last time. Try to connect with the people who have done audit last time, number one. Number two, use your academic knowledge very well. Okay. So this is number three. You try to book a time with a particular person. Can you give me 5 to 10 minutes time whenever you feel free, to try to slot book a time for somebody in the office. Definitely, if you ask them together, then they will be able to answer you. So I used to keep all the doubts in the copy together, and then I used to ask to the person. Fourth, I used to ask to my senior who has allotted me the work, that this is my work, sir, this much I have done, this much I have not done. This is the reason I am not able to complete the work. To whom should I approach for doing this work? Then you should approach that person. This is a process to follow. So if you're not getting the work properly, and if that person is not available, then I'll try to do at my end whatever I can. Then I'll communicate to my senior again. Sir, I'm not able to understand this part of the work, and maybe the other person is busy, so he or she is not able to help me out. This is the process that you need to follow. Then Google. Then you say Google. But people directly say I will Google. भाई Google करने का टाइम है, तो वो बोला ऑडिट करने के लिए, ऑडिट करके दो. Senior is not helping to you. This question is asked to you. I'll do Google. I'll do Chat GPT. ऐसे नहीं होता भाई. You will first analyze first you will study all the documents. You will understand the points which the client the principal has told you to do. Then see that which this part of the work is done by which person in the past. You try to find out at your best possible manner which the person, whether he's in the office or he has left the office. If you have left the office, try to communicate over call if it is okay. And if he's there in the office, then you write down the points where you need the first opinion. Okay, this is the area that I'm facing difficulty. Then communicate with him. Then you ask the points. मीन्स आपको भी अपना रिसर्च करना है कि एक्चुअली क्या चीज पूछना है। नहीं, आपको 5 मिनट में डाउट हुआ, व्हाट्सअप कर दिया, 5 मिनट से ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है। आप काम कर रहे हो सीए फर्म में या बिग फोर में, तो जिधर भी काम करोगे आपको एक बार में नोट्स बनाना है, प्रॉपर्ली वर्ड फाइल में बनाना है, एंड देन यू विल आस्क दैट पर्सन। इफ दैट पर्सन इज नॉट हेल्पिंग यू, देन यू हैव टू कैच होल्ड ऑफ द पर्सन हु हैज गिवन यू दैट वर्क एंड टेल हिम कि सर आई हैव डन दिस मच वर्क। और हमेशा जब सीनियर के पास जाओगे तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए तुमको कुछ भी नहीं आता है, कुछ तो तुमको आएगा ही, कोई भी काम होगा। नहीं तो तुम्हारा ऐसे ही ऑफर में हो गया। तो दिस इज द वर्क व्हिच आई हैव ऑलरेडी डन एंड these आर द सम ऑफ द एरियाज वेयर आई नीड योर हेल्प, और कैन यू हेल्प मी, व्हिच पर्सन कैन हेल्प मी इन दिस। ऐसे करके कंप्लीट करना, फिर आप गूगल का सहारा ले सकता है। तो देन यू कैन यूज लिटिल बिट ऑफ गूगल, लिटिल बिट चैट जीपीटी, मे बी पर्सन फ्रॉम सम अदर फॉर्म, बट डोंट से लाइक दिस इन द मेनी पीपल मेक दिस मिस्टेक। व्हाट दे से, if anybody is not helping in the, if anybody is not helping in the workplace, then I will catch hold of some other person, maybe my relative or maybe some other person in my other CA firm, and I'll ask him। ऐसे मत कर देना, गलती हो जाएगा तुम। स्पेशली बिग फोर इंटरव्यू देगा, आउट, यू आर लीकिंग क्लाइंट डिटेल्स। तुम फंस जाएगा क्लाइंट प्राइवेसी में। तुम यू विल बी, तो यू विल बी क्या, यू विल, आप किस में फंस जाएगा, क्लाइंट प्राइवेसी में फंस जाएगा। तो यू विल ऑलवेज टेक द हेल्प फ्रॉम द पीपल आउटसाइड देयर ओनली, बट इन अ स्ट्रेटेजिक मैनर। क्लियर अबाउट इट ना? ये पॉइंट को सब जन लिख देगा जो मैंने बोला ना, बिकॉज दिस क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड देयर। ओके, सेशन एंडेड फॉर टुडे, we'll clear this tomorrow. Okay, more questions. Okay, this point will be mentioned in the group. If nobody is helping you, how will you address that point?